Hello, and welcome to McLaren. In this video, we will provide a tutorial for connections and functions of McLaren's cold planer attachment on your Caterpillar machine. Once you unbox your cold planer, you will see that everything is included and ready to use. On this particular attachment, no assembly is required. Setup. To remove the cold planer from the pallet, hook up the cold planer directly to your machine via Quick Attach. Once the planer is attached, make sure to connect the case drain line first, then connect the male and female couplers, and finally connect the attachment wire harness to your machine. Locate the yellow tank on the left side of the planer and fill up with water. Notice there's a sight glass on the side of the tank. This must be filled completely. Next, functions. McLaren's cold planer has the following functions: depth adjustment, angle tilt, side shift, water sprayer. Now we can move forward and demonstrate each function for your Caterpillar. Let's begin. The depth adjusters controls how deep the drum goes into the asphalt. To activate this function, do the following. On the right joystick, engage the toggle switch. This will allow the drum to spin. While spinning the drum, locate the two buttons on the right joystick. That would be for functions A and B. Function A raises the right depth adjuster. Function B will lower the right depth adjuster. On your left joystick, there's going to be functions C and D. Function C will raise the left depth adjuster. Function D will lower the left depth adjuster. Next are the following functions. Locate the switch panel on the left side above your head. This switch shows auxiliary 7. Flip on auxiliary 7, then on the left joystick, engage the trigger, which will change the existing functions on each joystick. Angle tilt provides you the opportunity to mill in any angle or slope. On the right joystick, function E angles left, function F angles right. The side shift makes the attachment shift rather than moving the machine. On your left joystick, function G side shift left, and function H side shift right. The last function would be auxiliary 8, located on your top left panel. Once activated, the water pump will continuously spray water. To stop, flip off auxiliary 8. Water is an important part of this attachment. It helps to maintain and control dust while in use. To go back to original functions, for depth control, reactivate the trigger on your left joystick. This will conclude your basic functions for the McLaren cold planer. Go McLaren, go extreme.